Humanity has always lived beneath a sky full of questions. The greatest of them all has followed us since the dawn of thought. Are we truly alone? Every time our ancestors lifted their eyes to the heavens, they saw more than stars. They saw mysteries, gods, monsters, and dreams. The night sky has never been a silent canvas. It has always been a mirror, reflecting our wonder, our fears, and our unyielding longing to know if life exists beyond this fragile world we call home. The question is older than history. It has been carved into stone by the hands of cave dwellers, whispered in the sacred halls of temples, sung by poets, debated by philosophers, and pursued by scientists. Civilizations rose and fell beneath its glow, building myths to explain what they could not touch. Were the stars lanterns lit by gods? Were they other worlds, home to beings like us, or beings utterly alien? Across cultures and ages, the stars have promised answers, but for thousands of years they offered only silence. That silence has shaped us. Explorers once carried the same hunger across oceans, chasing horizons that shimmered with the unknown. Scientists, armed with telescopes and equations, sought to turn imagination into proof. Yet for centuries the heavens gave nothing back. No signal. No certainty. Just the cold beauty of light scattered across eternity. But in our age, something has changed. Humanity now gazes into the universe with tools capable of peeling back the veil. We live in a golden era of discovery, not defined by wooden ships, but by machines that sail the oceans of space itself. And at the forefront of this new exploration stands one of humanity's most extraordinary creations, the James Webb Space Telescope. This is no ordinary machine. It is the crown jewel of modern astronomy, the culmination of decades of ambition, sacrifice, and brilliance. Its mirrors, coated in gold, unfolded in the vacuum of space like the petals of a cosmic flower, blooming in silence a million miles from Earth. Every part of its design is audacious, built for a single purpose: to look farther, deeper, and with more clarity than any eye has ever seen. JWST is not just a telescope. It is a time traveler. Its instruments catch ancient light, rays that began their journey billions of years ago when the first stars burned into existence. Every photon that lands on its mirrors carries a story from the past, a whisper from the birth of galaxies, a glimpse into the origins of creation itself. Through Webb, we do not merely look outward. We look backward, seeing time itself unravel before us. Among the countless stars and galaxies it has revealed, one discovery has ignited a firestorm of possibility: a strange, distant world orbiting a faint red star, known as K218b. K218b belongs to a rare class of planets called sub-Neptunes. Larger than Earth, smaller than Neptune, they are cloaked in thick atmospheres and stand as a mysterious in-between, a hybrid of rock and gas unlike anything in our own solar system. We know Earth, Mars, and Venus. We know the great giants Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. But sub-Neptunes? None orbit our Sun. They exist only in the systems of distant stars, and astronomers believe they may be the most common type of planet in the galaxy. That makes K218b not just another discovery, but a key to understanding entire families of worlds we have never walked upon, never even imagined clearly. K218b circles its parent star at a distance far closer than Earth is to the Sun. If Earth were placed there, our oceans would boil into steam. Yet because its star is smaller and cooler, K218b rests within a delicate equilibrium, the habitable zone, where liquid water could endure. And with water comes the possibility of life. When JWST turned its golden eyes toward this alien world, it captured something astonishing. The faint signatures of water vapor drifting in its atmosphere. For the first time, humanity glimpsed evidence that a sub-Neptune planet, resting in the habitable zone, could carry one of life's most vital ingredients. The discovery shook the scientific world. But the surprises did not end there. Webb's instruments revealed methane, carbon dioxide, familiar gases we know well from our own skies. And then came a whisper that sent shivers down the spine of every astronomer, a faint but tantalizing trace of dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On Earth, this molecule is almost entirely produced by living organisms, specifically by tiny marine plankton. If confirmed, this would not just be another discovery. It would be the first potential biosignature ever detected on a planet orbiting another star. JWST has not only given us images of galaxies. It has handed us a mirror, reflecting back our oldest question with new urgency. We may not be alone. We may never have been alone. And the first proof may come not from signals in the dark, but from the silent breath of microbes drifting in the alien seas of K218b.